Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today is Wednesday, August 13th. Well, the market's in its pullback phase, which we expected. Backing and filling, as I call it, or another word is resting, building up its strength for another move. I don't know if the market's quite ready. I don't know if the backing and filling is over. Some of the charts look like it may be ready to go, and then there's a couple of charts that look like they need a little bit more work. So I'll show you what I mean in our final segment when we take a look at the major indexes. But the backing and filling and the resting of the market, as we expected, is still on. Have a new idea for you tomorrow, and then we'll take a look at the stock we bought this morning, BLC. Acts good. Actually had a mini breakout on the close. But the stock, the idea for tomorrow is HAYZ. So in just a moment I'll show you the chart and I'll show you how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. Now, don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of HAYZ. This is a call on the long side. I'll be looking to buy this stock tomorrow between $2.56, that's where it closed, all the way down to $2.40. Could pull back one more time. You can see here it's pulled back one day here and another day here. Hopefully one more day for us so we can get in down here and we don't have to chase after this. My target is $4 a share right up here, the all high, or the all high area from this last consolidation pattern. My stop loss limit would be a close below this level right here, which is $2.25. All right, what do I see? I see a couple things here. First thing I see, and maybe you see them too, I would think by now you should be able to spot these. Actually, that's the idea behind this whole process I'm going through, is so that you can see these. I see a reverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, right shoulder, head. I also see a ascending triangle. That's the bottom part of the triangle. And there's our flat, whoops, just bear with me. Now, as you've seen in many of these other ascending triangles, you usually get these, what I call these false breakouts, and then they come back down into the support area, then they diggle around for a few days, and then they go again. Well, this is what happened here, but it's like a signal it gives you that it wants to go. So let me recap this. This is HAYZ. This is a call on the long side, and depending on where we buy this, I think we could probably make ourselves about $1.50 in this. I mean, it's only a $2.50 stock. So we'll put that to work tomorrow. Now let's take a look at the stock we bought this morning, BLC. I bought this morning at $7.47. Now it started down early in the morning. I thought maybe it would give us a chance to get in down around the $7 area, but yeah, wasn't to be. So as it started back up, I finally jumped in at $7.47. Great looking chart. Even in a sloppy market today, or the backing and filling, the resting of the market, stock actually had a mini breakout today. This is our triangle, and you can see how it closed above the resistance level. So it's got a good look. Rally, pullback, rally, pullback, rally. And it will probably do that all the way up to our target of $10 a share. Okay, so we'll put that into our portfolio, and hopefully within 2 weeks maybe we'll be ringing the register in that one. Okay, let's go take a look at the major indexes, and I'll show you why some of the charts look like they're ready to go and some of them aren't. This is the Dow. Okay, this is our support line. We've pulled right back down, almost touched it, and then we got a nice little pop off of the low. Now, I think another day or two of backing and filling in here, at least another day anyway, and then I think we'll be ready to go. It could go tomorrow, but it just makes sense for me to give it at least one more day. Transportation average, you can see they came all the way down right into support, had a good little rally off the support, closed on the higher end of the day, so it did exactly what it should do. When they get near support, they're not going to stay there very long. They're going to pop out of there. Russell 2000. Now, this is why I say I don't know if the entire market's ready to go yet. This chart to me looks like it needs to do a little more backing and filling. I don't know if it needs to do as much as it did here, but I think it needs to do more than what it's done. I'd like to see it come back down and touch this support line here. So this may take a few more days. Now the Dow looks like it probably could go, but the Russell 2000 looks like it needs to do a little more work. Let's take a look at the SPYs, very similar to the Dow. Got down into support, bounced off it. I think another day or two of backing and filling, and then that will be ready to go also. QQQs, like the Russell 2000, a little overextended. Looks to me like it needs to do a little more work before she wants to go on another run. That's our major support. It could pull back down into there. I have a hard time visualizing that, but it could. It certainly could pull back down to the top of these 2 days, right into here. But it just looks like it's very overextended, and it needs to do some more backing and filling. So that's why I say I'm not sure that the market's ready to make a run yet, because some of the charts look like they need more work, and some of the charts look like they probably could be ready to go, but they're going to be delayed for a day or two. Okay, that's my view of the market. Until tomorrow, TK signing off.